We have used Harleys at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, like this 2015 XG750, also known as a Street 750. This particular specimen is in color Vivid Black, has fewer than 6,000 miles on it, and is in great shape. It's a great way to become a Harley owner without spending a whole lot of money. Screaming Eagle slip-on pipe. Great starter bike. Easy to handle, low center of gravity, and light. It's a 750cc V-twin water-cooled engine. See the radiator? And is available for a test ride any day of the week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.